Okay guys, we just replaced it, the old one. This was the old one, looks nasty. Okay, was just one screw on here. Make sure when you take it, be very careful because you can very fast lose. And it's an T15 with kind of screw. Take it off, and this is the new part. And the thing is, the new part is coming with two. What I bought, I will leave it in I'm gonna leave the description. And was this one was in like for right side. I disconnected. I need in left side. I disconnected and I put this on stay position. And right now, when you're gonna connect, you need to connect this one. This one you're gonna connect in here, and there's another thing. Come back. Make sure when you put this on first, it needs to be in this position. Here is supposed to be another. Make sure when you put this back, you're gonna connect that on. If not, you're gonna do this jump from beginning. Okay, I will try to do it and I will update you later.